I can. Tell me what to do. Love right there. Live my life. Love right there. You know, I just tell me why can't I live my life and give my life with this all of the things that people say. Oh, here we go. Come on. We want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. This is our first time on this cruise ship, and we sold it out. And we want to thank everybody. Yeah. Hey, to let everybody know, November 2nd, we're going to be at the Hard Rock Casino. That's right. The main stage. It's called Hard Rock Cafe. We'll be over there. We're going to be doing another boat like this. It's a casino out of Jams Pass. That's right. That's going to be November 1st. So come and check us out, bustonband.net. Thank you, y'all. And right now, we just want to say, na 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 na, na 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 na, hey, goodbye. Na 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 na, na 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 na, hey, goodbye. Na 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 na, good night. Na 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 na, see you. Hey, say.